We're about to embark on a journey, and we're gonna crash land on planet pelvis. The gravity there does crazy things to our hips. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be so exciting. Let's practice. Cross, down, let your hips go crazy. Cross, up, let your hips go crazy. Add some feet. Hey, yes. One more time, high. We're crash landing. Here we go. Hey. Take it to the side. Cross. Run. Take it to the side. Hold it here. Pump it. Down. Cross. You know this is gonna get faster. Speed it up. Hey. Ha. Woo. Hold and shake. You look like such a pretty princess. Take it in a circle. Oh my God! There's a wild drag queen! We're gonna practice again. I don't know what's gonna happen. This planet's crazy. Cross, take it out. She's beautiful. Take it up. One more time. We're crash landing again. Here we go. Pump it out. Pump. Roll. Yeah. Take it to the side now. Woo. Run. Take it to the side. Hold it here, Allison. Pump it out. Go. Pump. Down. Pump. Down. Pump. Down. Speed this up. Go. Ha. Work. Hey. Woo. We're shaking. Oh my gosh, you look so hot. Shake it in a circle. Well, that one was chaos. We crash landed on planet pelvis with the 3 of us, and now we're going home with 4. If you want to follow the drag queen who just ran behind us, her name is Nabora Styles. You can follow her at Nabuye Styles on Instagram and TikTok. Click right here to watch the official video, and click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. They never expire, and they're so much fun, I've heard.